This is the ninth example of exercise 5.2 which was left in the last video, and it's very easy. In this sum we have to form the AP first before doing any formulations or applying any formula. So firstly, let's read the statement. A sum of ₹1000 is invested at 8% simple interest per year. For a single year, at 8% simple interest, ₹1000 is invested. Calculate the interest at the end of each year, like for the first year, then second, then third, and up to so on. Do these form an AP? Once you will find the rate of interest, the principal amounts, the simple interest rates, and then you will see that they are forming an AP. And we have to then find the interest rate at the end of 30th year. Like at the end of 30th year, we have to find the rate. So indirectly, they are trying to say that in the AP, find the 30th term. You should get this. Now, firstly, all of us know the formula of simple interest. Of course, we have studied in the lower classes that simple interest is always equal to P multiply R multiply T upon 100. What is P? That's principal amount. R is rate of interest. T is the time period, and 100, of course. Now, for the first year, we will find the simple interest. Of course, the principal amount is 1000. What's the rate of interest? That is 8. Time, of course, is the first year only, so time period will be 1 upon 100. After solving this, you will get 80 rupees at the end of first year. Similarly, we'll find the amount of second year. 1000 multiplied by 8, and now the time period will be changed to 2 because it's at the end of the 2 years. So now after solving this, you will get the answer 160 rupees. Of course, zeros will be cancelled by 2 zeros. 8 to the 60 and 16 tens are 160. Similarly, you will find it for the third year. 1000 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 3 upon 100, and after solving this, you will get the answer as 240 rupees. Now in your book, they have also solved for only 3 terms, but if you will solve for 4th year, 5th year, and up to so on, it will never end because the ending time period is not given in the statement. So just going like this, we'll get our terms as 80, 160 and 240, and simply the next term will be our 300, as we are adding 80 in every term. 60 plus 20, that is 320. So this will be our AP. You can check by just subtracting the first one from the second one and the second from the third one, that is it forming an AP or not. Now we have got our AP. They have asked us to find the 30th term. So we know the formula of a nth term that we are using throughout this exercise. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1, which will be multiplied by d. Now we have to find an. We have to find a30 in fact. So a30. What's a? A is our 80 plus n. Now which term it is? It's 30th term. So n will be 30. 30 minus 1. Now what's d? 160 minus 80, that is 80. 80 will be our d. And 80 plus 29 multiplied by 80. And after solving this, you will get your answer as 2400. So our 30th term is 2400. It means at the end of 30th year, the amount will be 2400 rupees. This is how you will do example 9th. In this, you had to form the AP by yourself. It's very easy, but a student who doesn't know the formula of simple interest will not be able to do this sum because that's the basic formula that's been used in the sum. So just be clear with your basic formulas as well.